The 2026 USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 continues to stand out as one of the most futuristic and controversial warships ever built for the United States Navy. At first glance, this destroyer looks less like a traditional naval vessel and more like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Its sharp angular design, smooth surfaces, and stealth-focused structure immediately separate it from every other destroyer currently sailing the oceans. But beyond its radical appearance lies a ship packed with advanced technologies, immense firepower, and cutting-edge systems designed to reshape modern naval warfare. Even years after its introduction, the Zumwalt-class destroyer remains one of the most technologically advanced surface combatants ever created, and the 2026 configuration pushes that capability even further. One of the first things people notice about the USS Zumwalt is its unusual tumble-home hull design. Unlike traditional warships that widen as they rise above the waterline, the Zumwalt narrows toward the top. This unique shape dramatically reduces radar reflections, helping the destroyer appear much smaller on enemy radar systems. In fact, naval experts often compare its radar signature to that of a small fishing boat despite the ship being over 600 feet long. This stealth capability gives the Zumwalt a major tactical advantage because enemies may struggle to detect or track the vessel until it is already within striking range. The entire structure of the ship was built around this low observable philosophy, with hidden antennas, enclosed sensors, and minimal exterior clutter helping maintain its stealth profile. The USS Zumwalt is powered by an integrated power system that was considered revolutionary when it was first introduced. Instead of using separate engines for propulsion and onboard systems, the destroyer generates a massive pool of electrical power that can be distributed wherever it is needed. This means propulsion systems, radar arrays, weapons, and future technologies all draw from the same electrical grid. The setup provides incredible flexibility and allows the ship to support advanced weapons that require enormous amounts of energy. The destroyer uses powerful gas turbine engines capable of generating roughly 78 megawatts of electricity, enough to power a small city. This enormous electrical capacity was intentionally designed to prepare the ship for future systems like railguns and high-energy laser weapons. In terms of speed and mobility, the Zumwalt-class destroyer is extremely capable despite its large size. The ship can travel at speeds exceeding 30 knots while maintaining impressive stability in rough seas. Advanced automation systems also allow the vessel to operate with a significantly smaller crew compared to older destroyers. Traditional destroyers often require crews of around 300 sailors or more, but the USS Zumwalt operates with roughly half that number. This reduction in manpower lowers operational costs and demonstrates how automation is changing naval warfare. Sophisticated onboard computers handle many tasks that previously required human operators, from damage control monitoring to navigation assistance and systems management. The radar and sensor systems aboard the 2026 USS Zumwalt are among the most advanced ever placed on a naval vessel. The ship features highly capable multi-function radar systems designed to track enemy aircraft, missiles, ships, and even smaller threats simultaneously. These systems provide exceptional situational awareness and allow the destroyer to operate effectively in highly contested environments. The sensors are integrated into a comprehensive combat management network that processes massive amounts of battlefield data in real time. This gives commanders a clear picture of nearby threats and enables faster decision-making during combat operations. One of the most talked about aspects of the USS Zumwalt is its weapon systems. Originally designed for land attack missions, the destroyer was equipped with advanced gun systems capable of firing precision-guided long-range projectiles. However, the extremely high cost of ammunition forced the Navy to rethink the ship's primary role. By 2026, the Zumwalt has evolved into a more versatile strike platform capable of supporting multiple mission profiles. The destroyer's large missile capacity remains one of its greatest strengths. Its vertical launch system can carry a wide range of missiles including Tomahawk cruise missiles, anti-air missiles, and anti-submarine weapons. These launch cells are distributed around the edges of the hull rather than concentrated in one location, improving survivability in the event of an attack. The Navy has increasingly focused on integrating hypersonic missile technology into the Zumwalt-class destroyers, and this may ultimately become the ship's defining role. Hypersonic weapons travel at speeds greater than Mach 5 and are extremely difficult to intercept. The USS Zumwalt's massive size and electrical power capacity make it an ideal platform for deploying these next-generation missiles. In many ways, the destroyer was built ahead of its time, with designers anticipating future weapons that had not yet fully matured. Now, years later, the ship is finally beginning to realize some of that original vision. The stealth characteristics of the Zumwalt extend beyond radar reduction. The ship was also designed to minimize acoustic and infrared signatures, making it harder for enemy submarines and thermal sensors to detect. Quiet propulsion systems reduce underwater noise, while carefully managed exhaust systems help lower the vessel's heat signature. These features improve survivability and allow the destroyer to operate closer to hostile coastlines without immediately revealing its position. Inside the ship, the technology level is equally impressive. The Combat Information Center resembles a high-tech command hub filled with digital displays and touchscreen interfaces rather than the analog systems seen on older warships. Sailors aboard the Zumwalt work in a highly networked environment where information is shared instantly across departments. This digital infrastructure enhances efficiency and enables faster responses during combat situations. Living quarters and onboard facilities were also modernized compared to older destroyers, offering improved habitability for crew members during long deployments. Another major advantage of the USS Zumwalt is its versatility. The destroyer can conduct anti-air warfare, anti-submarine operations, land attack missions, and surface combat all from a single platform. This flexibility allows it to adapt to changing battlefield requirements without needing major structural modifications. In modern naval strategy, versatility is critical because threats can emerge from multiple domains simultaneously. The Zumwalt was designed to handle this complexity through advanced computing power and adaptable weapon systems. The ship's aviation capabilities further enhance its effectiveness. The USS Zumwalt features a large flight deck and hangar capable of supporting helicopters and unmanned aerial systems. Helicopters can be used for anti-submarine warfare, reconnaissance, search and rescue missions, and logistical support. Meanwhile, drones provide extended surveillance capabilities and allow the ship to gather intelligence far beyond the horizon. As unmanned technology continues to evolve, the Zumwalt is expected to integrate even more autonomous systems into its operational framework. Despite all its technological achievements, the Zumwalt program has faced heavy criticism over the years. Originally envisioned as a large fleet of advanced destroyers, only 3 ships were ultimately built due to rising costs and changing strategic priorities. Critics argued that the ships became too expensive and lacked a clearly defined mission after the cancellation of their specialized ammunition. However, supporters believe the USS Zumwalt represents a crucial step toward future naval warfare and serves as a valuable testing platform for emerging technologies. Many innovations developed for the Zumwalt program are now influencing newer warships and future naval concepts. The 2026 version of the USS Zumwalt reflects the Navy's ongoing efforts to adapt the platform for modern threats. Upgrades to software systems, sensors, electronic warfare capabilities, and missile integration have significantly improved the ship's combat potential. Electronic warfare has become increasingly important in modern conflicts, and the Zumwalt's sophisticated systems are designed to jam enemy sensors, disrupt communications, and protect the ship from incoming threats. Cybersecurity measures have also become a major focus because modern warships rely heavily on interconnected digital systems. From a strategic